Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Greetings of peace. This is Farina Siddiqui with an important message to all the parents, the Muslim parents. I need to ask you a question. Are you actually listening to your youth? Are you actually talking to them? Because when I talk to them, I hear things like, please don't tell this to my mom. Please don't say this to my mom. Auntie Farina, I wanted to say this for a longest period of time, but I could not share it with anybody. So what are we doing? कर क्या रहे हैं हम? As parents, we need to pay attention to their issues, their realities, and also acknowledge them. Acknowledge them that their issues are real, their challenges are real. They might not be like yours or mine when we are their age, but they're real. And actually, we are actually putting them away from our deen. We are putting them away from us. So please stop detaching from your youth. Mothers should spend least possible time on social media or other places and more time with their youth. Listen to them, talk to them, not talk at them. You need to understand their realities. You need to understand their issues. And if they are not able to say their things to you with all the confidence, the trust in you, then this is something really alarming. You should consider that. And lately we have been replaced by electronic devices in our kids' hands, and this is our fault, not nobody's fault, our fault. So you need to pay attention what they're doing and how. I see a lot of mothers, a lot of parents actually driving our kids towards an endless career path. We're not getting them married. We're not even showing them that getting married is a part of life. It's important. I see kids only focus finishing high school. Then after high school, they're focused on finishing bachelor's. After bachelor's, they are only focused on finishing master's, and then some specialized degree or maybe some PhD. Where's the marriage part? So they're actually suppressing their God-gifted natural desire of connecting, engaging with another human being as their spouse in a halal way. We are actually driving them towards conducting, getting engaged into haram activities, adultery and other things. Why are we doing this? Why are we suppressing our kids' natural desire? Just because they're not saying things to you, that does not mean it doesn't surface in their mind. They want the companionship. They need the companionship. They need to have the nikah done halal way instead of going through a different path. So please try and understand that there is no career. There is an endless desire to earn more and more. Try and understand before your youth goes down the hill of a black hole. Please try and understand. You need to know their issues. You need to understand. You need to actually get the vibe from them, right? So if you have anything in your mind, ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to help you and to help your youth. Please be vigilant. Don't make mistakes that other people did. We all make mistakes, but we need to actually correct ourselves before our youth start suffering even more. Jazakallah khair for listening. Keep writing to me. Contact at farinasiddiqui.ca or go to my website. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more messages. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.